How do I update a Python package? I'm running Ubuntu 9.10 and a package called M2 Crypto is installed. Version is 0.19.1. I need to download, build and install the latest version of the M2 Crypto package, 0.20.2. The 0.19.1 package has files in a number of locations including /user/share/pyshared and /user/lib/pymodules.python 2.6. How can I completely uninstall version 0.19.1 from my system before installing 0.20.2?
You might want to look into a Python package manager like pip. If you don't want to use a Python package manager, you should be able to download M2 Crypto and build/compile/install over the old installation.
The best way I've found is to run this command from terminal. Sudo will ask to enter your root password to confirm the action. Note, some users may have pip3 installed instead. In that case, use To automatically upgrade all the outdated packages that were installed using pip, just run the script bellow. Here, pip list outdated will list all the outdated packages and then we pipe it to awk, so it will print only the names. Then, the will make it a variable and then, everything is done automatically. Make sure you have the permissions. Just put sudo before pip. If you're confused, I would write a script named pip upgrade. The code is bellow. Then use the following lines of script to prepare it. Then, just hit pip upgrade and voila!
Via Windows command prompt, run pip list outdated. You will get the list of outdated packages. Run pip install package upgrade. It will upgrade the package and uninstall the previous version. To update pip. Again, this will uninstall the previous version of pip and will install the latest version of pip.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.